Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to send your location on Facebook Messenger. Here's how you can do it. First, open a conversation with the person you want to send your location to. Then tap on the plus icon or the four dots at the bottom of the chat. From the menu that appears, tap on Location. Messenger may ask for permission to access your location if you haven't enabled it yet. Once you allow it, your current location will be displayed on the map. Simply tap Send to share your real-time location with your friend. And that's it. Now your location is sent via Facebook Messenger. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on Tech Tricks tutorial. See you in the next video. Bye!